What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Moderna. Moderna Incorporations, it rallied today. It rallied massively. So we shall be taking a good look at the chart right here. We could see this is a very beautiful chart, especially given the fact that it has obviously started rallying for a long time, which I wasn't aware. This is the first time I'm making a video on Moderna. So if you want me to, continue making more weekly or monthly updates on technical analysis on Moderna, do destroy the like button, drop a comment under the comment section, and yep, I will definitely give you a response, and I will try as much as I can to keep each and every one of us updated. So given the situation of things right here, we could see Moderna, all the way from this low, very crazy, because obviously if you take a good look at it, it has been down since its previous high at in 2024, May 2024, 1st of May. That's really crazy. And you could see it's been down roughly how many percent from that 1st of May 2024. It has roughly been down 86%, which is crazy. And right now we could see that Moderna right now has, all the way from this low at $22, it rallied all the way to this resistance right here at $57.50. It corrected a little bit from there after it got rejected. Then it broke out, found support, and right now you could see where we currently at right now. We've broken so many resistance. Even this downtrend right here, we've broken it, rallied all the way into this resistance right here at $170.88. And you could see clearly right here that this is the post right here, the post candle, where the candle is currently is right now. And given the situation of things right now, this is currently where what it is saying. We've gotten rejected from this resistance at $170.80. We are most likely going to probably be dropping all the way to probably $115. Finding support around here, maybe consolidating before breaking out and rallying even much higher. I think this is most likely going to be the best case scenario right here. Or we could also get a move like this, whereby we could still drop even as low as $96.60. This is probably going to be another possible scenario that could play out. While I would say the worst case scenario is obviously seeing us breaking below $96, $97, and we end up dumping much lower, because we would end up dropping even all the way down to $54. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind right now. And in terms of, okay, just in case you're wondering what might be the reason for Moderna to rally, we could see here the headline: Moderna and Merck stock skyrockets on their cancer vaccine trial success. Here's what to know. So this is actually looking like a very great news. Wall Street's Horizon head of corporate event research, Christine Schott, and Sherwood News markets editor Luke Kawa chats with Yahoo Finance's Julie Hyman about Moderna's and Merck's melanoma vaccine trial success. I think this is definitely the whole video right here, which I wouldn't want to play. You could go make your own research on that, and you could see from Insider Monkey, Moderna melanoma vaccine win, big opportunity, bigger expectation. Moderna Incorporation has delivered a major boost to its turnaround story. Its personalized mRNA cancer vaccine, MRNA, met the main goal of reducing melanoma recurrence, and also showed a benefit in preventing the cancer from spreading when used with Merck's Keytruda. All these medical names right here. The result is especially important because it is the first positive late-stage trial for an mRNA cancer vaccine, and the first study to show that an individualized treatment can improve outcomes beyond key Truda alone. And the key gives Moderna a credible path to reduce its dependence on COVID products. If regulators approve the treatment, both companies could potentially launch it as early as next year, giving Moderna a new commercial opportunity in oncology. So, it's definitely really, really good, given the situation of things. And you could see the book is the biggest positive for Moderna Incorporation is that Intismeran could become the product that changes the company's growth story. Moderna has spent years trying to build a business beyond COVID vaccines, and a successful cancer treatment would give investors a much stronger reason to believe in its mRNA platform. So, you could go ahead to read much further here. This is definitely a good news, and it's a long-term investment if you end up seeing the government, approving this treatment or this, cancer vaccine and all what's not, because cancer is definitely one of the illnesses or disease or virus or whatever it's called that is definitely eating a whole lot of people, especially in the US and the Western world, so I think this is definitely a great news because there are so many emotional moments right from when I was little. When I used to watch WWE, there's the World Cancer Day, how it's always been celebrated, how women, people affected with cancer are always being affected, and that always gets me emotional when I was really, really young, even up till now. So yeah, that just basically is right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.